Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily buy stuff on TikTok Shop. So to start with, you just want to open your app, and it used to be just a following and for you page at the top, but what they've actually added now is the shop as well. So what we can do is we can slide right and we can now access the shop. So if you already know what you want to buy, what you can do is you can click the search bar at the top and you can simply just type in what you're looking for and then search it and select which product you want. Now there's also other stuff like first purchase offers and today's deals. So if you're not sure what to buy, you can look through these categories, and for example we click first purchase offer, and if it's your first time buying, they will offer you up to 50% off on certain items. So let's just say we wanted to buy this necklace. What we'd do is we'd click on it and we can look through the photos here just to check it out first, just to see what it's actually like. We can look at the details to find some more out about it, and we can also look at the reviews to make sure it is actually a good product. If we did decide we want to buy this, at the bottom right corner there's a buy now button. We'll just go ahead and click on that. And then from here what you want to do is click add shipping address if you haven't added one already. So you basically just want to fill in all your details so that they know where to send the package to. And then from here you can choose to pay with Apple Pay if you've got an iPhone, or you can add your debit or credit card if you like. Now, as you can see at the bottom, mine says add shipping address as I haven't actually already added one. But when you have actually added yours, it will then give you the option to purchase. So you can click that button to actually purchase the product, and you have successfully bought from the TikTok shop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.